As a member of a creative team, you probably spend too much time waiting for files to transfer. This also probably cuts into your creative time and delays post-editing workflows. You might find yourself in the situation where there are several unprocessed files across multiple computers, and being unable to access the files you need can be frustrating when deadlines are approaching. Unprocessed multimedia files tend to build up, and waiting for them to be transferred can hold back in work. Everyone knows the frustration of having to pause their work due to limited network bandwidth and the inability to find the latest version of files. Now, the TVS-x72XT is here for you. Upgrading to a 10 gigabit network provides up to 10 times the bandwidth of regular networks, which means up to 10 times faster file transfer and enough bandwidth for multi-user access to files. Workstations and laptops with Thunderbolt 3 ports can also be directly connected to the NAS for faster file transfer and access. With this enhanced network connectivity, you need faster storage. By using an SSD cache, you can ensure a high-speed network access and faster response time for smooth workflows. It is where the true potential of online collaboration can be realized. Simultaneous editing, and no more tedious dragging and dropping, copying and pasting, or waiting for files to copy from external drives. Say goodbye to insufficient file transfer and storage, and spend more time on bringing your ideas to life. With the QNAP NAS, you can master your time and unleash the full potential of teamwork.